my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we're doing Paint Unicorn Kit. These are cookies and we're going to paint them. Let's open it up. Cut it. Here we go. This is everything that came in the box. First, we have to make our cookie dough, and we need our eggs, our bowl, of course, and our cookie dough stuff, and our butter. Let's pour everything in the bowl, and then let's do it. All of this stuff in. Okay, let's do it up now. Looking more like dough. First we have to pour out the dough and then roll it out with the rolling pin. Okay, let's pour it out. Okay, let's take out this. So put it out there. Oh my gosh, this isn't why I can't. Wait. Oh my gosh. Take your hand and then form this dough into a ball. Next, when you're done, rolling it into a ball, it should look like this, and then add flour so it's not sticky. Now let's roll it. Once it's all rolled out, you have to place your cookie cutter. Put it right up there. Push it down there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then it's time to unwrap this much. When you're done printing them, put them on a pan to cook. I have them out on a cookie sheet. Now it's time to bake them for 10 minutes. Add the frosting pouch and then the water, and then stir it carefully. And let's do it. Together just like this. Fill it and then add a cup of sugar. And then stir like this until it's nice and thick. When it's all mixed, it should look like this. Now it's time to decorate. You need your frosting, your cookie, your details, and your gold glitter. And let's get started. Okay. First thing you're gonna do is cover your cookie with the icing. Now you put these details on, and these details are like stickers. The details on. Now we just have to wait until it hardens, and then we can paint it. Okay, I'll be back. You take your paintbrush and then dip it in the water and then paint. Like this. Here's my unicorn all painted. This was so cool. It was so fun. And thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.